Okay, this is too funny. Normally, Peaches is not allowed to have gum, but she got a hold of a piece of Mason's gum. And she's been chewing it and chewing it. And she doesn't swallow it. She spits it out, and then she picks it back up and starts chewing it again. Peaches, how do you know you're supposed to chew gum and not swallow it? Huh? Peaches. We got a gum-chewing pig. As long as you don't swallow it. You silly girl. You're a crazy pig, Peaches. See? And she'll spit it out. You want to save it for later? Huh? Peaches. Don't make a mess, you silly girl. And then she'll chew it. She'll chew it and spit it out. You silly girl. Yep. Oof. Oof.